Hii ni kazi ya Cabros.
Cabros. Oh, hii ni Cabros natengeneza.
Sasa tunajenga hapa.
Hizi ni sidewalks walkway.
Hii channel na ile ni ya kuzishika. Sasa hii ya katikati ni ya kugawa rangi mbili. Hii side itakuwa ni ya green, huko itakuwa ni ya red.
Oh, sasa hii ya green ndio penye watu wanatembelea.
Footpath.
Then the other side is cycling lane. Oh. Okay, na hii imeanzia wapi? Hii viaduct ni how long? Length ya viaduct. Imeanzia wapi? Penye kuna
hatuko accurate sisi juu hatujaambiwa. But imeanzia huko juu. Na bado inaenda huko chini. Ni kitu kubwa, si kitu ndogo.
Oh.
Yeah.
So nyinyi ni sub ama nyinyi part of Century? Oh. Also mmepewa kutengeneza na expand. Okay. So kazi na expect kuisha lini?
Unajua hapa siko sure na hii kazi yote kuisha. Lakini tunaongelea na kulingana na section nimepewa. Na kama sasa unajua unakimbia na mfuko yako, upate chako. So sisi tunakimbia na speed yetu. Sisi tunaweza sema sasa hata ni kama 2 weeks tumalize yetu kwa.
Mwende. Okay. Sawa brother. Sasa hapa mtalei Cabros ndio hizo mshaleta. Hello guys, welcome to the Turning Point Africa family once again. My name is Gabriel. I want to welcome all of you wherever you're watching from. Today, before we start off, as our tradition, just allow me first of all to welcome all of you, especially our new subscribers. Please welcome to the family. Thank you so much guys for finding time to be with us. Be free to interact, share your comment, share your opinion, whether positive or otherwise. I think we're going to use the comments to improve on our work, at least to make sure that we bring the best content. Now, today we are back in Ngong Road, where we want to focus on the ongoing the flyover, that is the viaduct that is being constructed at the junction, where we have the intersect between Naivasha Road and also Ngong Road. So it's called the Naivasha Road Ngong Road viaduct or flyover. So that's where we are. I made a video about a month ago, and since then there's a lot of progress. Yeah, that's why I just wanted to keep you up to date. Now, without much ado, let me just take you through briefly what is going on. The company that is involved in the construction, as I had said in the previous video, if you've not watched it, please find time to go and watch it. It's called the Centurion. Centurion is a company that has previously also involved in a similar project such as this. You remember the flyover at the Timor Junction on your way to Langata, just along Langata Road. Yeah, so that is the exact replica of what is happening here. So it's the same company that was involved in the construction of that bridge, or that viaduct, or that flyover, and also the 2 footbridges. You know, the footbridge that is on Nyayo, the new bridge, the one that connects to the stadium, and also there is another footbridge on Raila Odinga Road, formerly Bagadi Road. Yeah, so those are the first project that this company undertook, and the project came out well, and people were happy about it. I think that's the reason why the government also, through the Kenya Urban Road Authority, gave the contractor again the opportunity to construct this one. It's just the same, but there's a little bit in the specifications are just the same. Maybe there's just a slight difference in terms of maybe the length of the viaduct, but it's just the same. That what is the project is just the exact replica of what they had done before. Now, very quick, as I said, Sanchoni is a Spanish company. Now we have the Spanish Corporate International Fund, are the one that is the entity that is funding this project at a tune of 3.5 billion. So basically this is a concession loan that the government of Kenya secured from the entity to be able to fund this project. The project length, the length of the road is about 800 meters. The viaduct is about 400 meters in length. That is in meters, and we have to, of course, the approaching road on both sides, each is 200, so that gives it the total of 800 meters. The total project length is about 800 meters. Yeah, so now when it comes to the specifications of the work, that is the scope of the work. What they're constructing is a 4-lane dual carriage viaduct. That means 2 lanes on each side. Then on the lower deck, that is on the lower road, or the old road, will be expanded to include circling lanes and also walkways. Now the lower deck, the lower road also has it's a 4-lane dual carriage, so that gives us a total of 8 lanes. Then also, this expanded sidewalks, including the sidewalks and also the cycling lane. Then also the features will also include the drainage, well done drainage system, just to mitigate the flooding maintenance that is usually around that place. Then also installation of modern street lights. So basically that is the core components of the project, and it's turning out quite well.
Sasa hii ya katikati ni ya kugawa rangi mbili. Hii side itakuwa ni ya green, huko itakuwa ni ya red.
Oh, sasa hii ya green ndio penye watu wanatembelea?
Footpath.
Then the other side is
red.
Cycling lane. Oh. Okay, na hii imeanzia wapi? Hii viaduct ni how long? Length ya viaduct.
Imeanzia wapi?
Penye kuna
hatuko accurate sisi juu hatujaambiwa. But imeanzia huko juu na bado inaenda huko chini. Ni kitu kubwa, si kitu ndogo.
Oh.
Yeah.
So nyinyi ni sub ama nyinyi part of Sanctuary? Oh. Also mmepewa kutengeneza na expand. Okay. So kazi na expect kuisha lini?
Unajua hapa siko sure na hii kazi yote kuisha. Lakini tunaongelea na kulingana na section nimepewa. Na kama sasa unajua unakimbia na mfuko yako, upate chako. So sisi tunakimbia na speed yetu.
Oh.
Sisi tunaweza sema sasa hata ni kama 2 weeks tumalize yetu kwa.
Mwende. Okay. Sawa brother. Sasa hapa mtalei cabros
Ndio hizi tumeleta.
Oh, ndio hizi mshaleta. Oh. Sawa bro. Nashukuru. Okay. project timeline, the contractor had up to June 2027, but as things stands, maybe he'll deliver this project before that time, because right now, as things stands, the project is almost at 80%, because what is currently going on is the laying of bitumen and also painting of steel bars. So once that is done, okay, they're almost halfway. They're past halfway laying of the bitumen. So that means they'll take like by maybe March, they'll have completed laying of the bitumen, and then they'll come to do the lower road, because of course that stretch they can't leave the lower road like that. They'll have to recarpet it, and so I think they're here by mid this year. By June they should be done. I'm not seeing anything much left here. Now there are also plans to construct a link road from where we are, from where the flyover is, then to Talanta Stadium, then Talanta Stadium to CBD through Bomas of Kenya. Then we are going to have a meter gauge rail, that is MGR, from CBD. It's already, that work is also ongoing, from CBD through to Nyayo Stadium, and then come to we're going to have another link to Bomas of Kenya, and then to Talanta Stadium, then to Ruta. Now, so that is just connectivity that is required to ensure there is a seamless movement of the masses from the CBD, Bomas to Talanta Stadium. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. I'm certain it's going to happen, because as we speak, the environmental impact assessment report has already been approved by the NEMA, and once that is done, I think the contractor will go ahead and do that. Now I'll be doing a detailed video about the Talanta Stadium, which will be coming soon. What is currently going there, there are seats, the old seats, the seats that had been installed before have been removed. There's a process of procuring seats, new ones, and also there's a construction of a mini stadium for training and also athletics. Yeah, so that's what is currently going on there. So I'll be doing a video about that. So please stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for sharing, liking, and watching. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.